Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn HTML. This is the first HTML part in my channel. HTML is the template of a web page. Okay, now let's start our lesson. Our first tag is HTML. We write all our HTML parts inside this tag. All these HTML parts are like a human. It has a head, body, and foots. Then we are going to learn about head. Head has a title tag. If we write something inside this title tag it shows in our tab, now you can see that it shows V3 Editor, which I wrote inside this title tag. Our next tag is body tag. Let's see what's included in this tag in our next video. If you're interested about this channel, you can subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video. Comment me if you didn't understand any part. Goodbye.